Hi, how are you? Today we are going to make mutton or goat sukka ghee rice omelette recipe. Mutton sukka recipe just tops the list for its taste and flavor in the non-veg category. The ingredients are pretty easy to gather and the method is simple to follow. This is another of the gem from the South Indian cuisine. Just remember to keep the mutton pieces small for this dish that they absorb all the spices in and gets fried properly. Let's see the ingredients. Take 1 tablespoon of salt, half teaspoon of turmeric, 1 teaspoon of coriander powder, 1 teaspoon of red chili or cayenne pepper powder, 1 teaspoon of black pepper powder, 2 tablespoons of fresh ginger garlic paste, 3 sprigs of curry leaves, 2 to 5 green chilies depending upon your spicy levels, 1 medium-sized chopped onion, and 1 cup of rice. Take 250 to 275 grams of fresh mutton. Oil to protect from overheat. Cook 1 cup of rice in the rice cooker. Take the pressure cooker and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. After oil gets heated, add chopped onion. Stir and mix onions well. Add 2 sprigs of curry leaves, stir and mix curry leaves well. Now, add 250 to 275 grams of fresh mutton and mix well. Take 2 to 5 half-cut green chilies and mix well. Add black pepper powder. Add coriander powder. Add red chili or cayenne pepper powder. Add turmeric. Add salt. Add ginger garlic paste. Mix all of them. Pressure cook for 15 minutes on medium flame. I got 20 whistles. Remove from heat and wait for the pressure to release naturally. Take 1 small bowl, break 1 egg into the bowl. Add salt and red chili or cayenne pepper powder to taste. Beat the mixture until it turns like this and keep it aside. Take large pan and add 1 tablespoon of butter. Add the cooked mutton sukka gravy into the pan and stir it well. Don't stir for long time, otherwise the gravy becomes dry and you will lose the taste. After that, take 1 sprig of curry leaves and stir well. Take 1 small bowl of cooked rice and stir with gravy. Take 1 small pan and add 1 to 2 tablespoons of oil. And add the omelette mixture. Gently push cooked portions from edges toward the center with inverted turner so that uncooked eggs can reach the hot pan surface. Mutton or goat sukka ghee rice recipe is ready to serve. Enjoy the recipe with omelette and it tastes really good. Hope you enjoyed it.